In this video, I will show you how is data organized in SciNote. SciNote has 5 organization levels. All the members of your SciNote Premium site will belong to one organization. So we refer to the organization as your unique premium site. Inside of your organization, each member will be split into teams. We can refer to teams as workspaces. You can have one or multiple teams, and this depends on your SciNote plan. So each member needs to be part of at least one team in order to access data and work on SciNote. Each team has their unique projects, inventories, protocol templates, and reports. This structure is easy to understand. It starts from the project that you can call your main folder or main folders. Inside each project, you can create experiments. So we can call these experiments subfolders. And again, you can have as many of them as you need. Inside each experiment, you can create tasks. And inside each task, you will start inputting your notes, protocol description. You can add as many steps as you need to for your essay and procedure, etc. You will add text, file, table, well plates, checklists, and more.